Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to add your phone number on Discord with a few simple steps. This process is straightforward and really important for keeping your account secure. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the U icon at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll see a gear icon at the top right of your screen. This is your gateway to the settings menu, so tap on it to access all the options available to you. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down and find the option that says Account. Give that a tap, and you're one step closer to adding your phone number. Once you're in the account settings, look for the phone option. It should be pretty easy to spot. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Type in your number carefully, making sure everything is correct. When you're ready, tap Next at the bottom of the screen. The final step is to confirm your number. You'll see a confirm option. Go ahead and tap on that. Discord will typically send you a verification code via SMS, which you should enter as prompted. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to Discord. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps you recover it if you ever have any issues. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.